A 119V3, the best bang for your buck dashcam. Recommended by Dashcam Talk. Best all-around camera, excellent video quality, buffered parking mode, discreet and reliable. The rotatable lens allows you to easily find the best recording angle. Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor brings excellent performance in all lighting conditions. Support 1440p 60 fps high-quality video recording, parking mode, GPS, and etc. A 119V3 has HDR function which effectively solves the overexposure issues, delivering more real-life image and improving license capture on the move. Optional CPL can be installed for removing reflections and glare from windshield. It has 140-degree view angle and also GPS logger to record speed and location data into the videos. Viofo Dashcam, premium dashcam manufacturer.